Okay, this is how to apply ink to your rubber stamp. For this, we are going to need a mat, newspaper, a couple sheets of it, and different pieces of paper for printing. You will also need a brayer, or that rolly tool that rolls the ink around, and your baren. This is what we're going to use to apply pressure to your stamp to create an even print. You will also need your rubber carving stamp, and we're going to need our block printing ink and a popsicle stick to scoop it out of the jar. Step 1 is going to be put on an apron. And then our step 2 is going to be use your popsicle stick to scoop a small amount of ink onto your plastic mat. You can always get more ink, so less is more at this beginning part. Save that popsicle stick to the side, and you can grab your brayer. Step 3, we are going to dab the brayer in the ink and roll it over to the side. Roll it in multiple directions like I'm doing here to get the ink evenly applied to the brayer. You'll be able to tell if you have enough ink by the sound it makes and the texture it looks like. Okay, in step 4, we are going to apply the ink to our rubber stamp. Move your rubber stamp to a piece of newspaper and go ahead and roll your brayer over it multiple times in different directions. Here you'll be able to see your stamp really come alive and see all the textures that you carved into it. Step 5, on a fresh piece of newspaper, you're going to place your stamp on your piece of paper and use your baren to apply pressure. That'll be step 6. Use your baren to press down and apply as much pressure as you can to the stamp. My rule of thumb is if you think you're done, just go over it one more time. Don't forget to get the corners and just really move that baren all over the stamp. Then step 7, you can peel off your rubber stamp to reveal your block print. You can either keep applying ink and use the same stamp over and over, or you can rinse it and change colors of the ink. For cleanup, leave your apron on while you're at the sink. With a sponge, soap, and water, you can rinse your mat, the brayer, and your rubber carving stamp all at the sink and leave them in the drying rack next to the sink to dry. Make sure all the ink is rinsed and then you're done. You can take your apron off once you leave the sink. The end!